Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is day 12 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's beautiful sketch is brought to us by Darla Weber. Really nice sketch, and it's open to so much interpretation. Now the one thing that's going to be different that I'm doing, I don't have an 8x10 photo. Instead I'm using 3 photos, and they are all 6x4, but I'm going to cut these 2 down, so it'll be 1 and 2 smaller, 1 6x4 and 2 smaller photos. So they're the photos I am using. And then the paper I'm using is from October Afternoon, and it's Cakewalk selection. No, collection, not selection. And I'm using this side called Buttercream, as well as this side called Reversing. It's still called Buttercream, but anyway. So those 2 papers, I'm going to mount my photos in this colour. And then I have cream as well. No, they're meant to both be vanilla. Okay, one looks slightly different. Does one look different? Anyway, vanilla. And then my embellishments are going to pick from this sticker sheet, because it has got some really cool things. So my title's going to be It's a Party, and I plan on using that sticker because it's just us girls around a birthday cake, so that is really apt. Possibly Make a Wish, because there's a photo of me blowing out the cake. Perhaps the banners, the cupcake, I don't know, but I'm going to have most of my, if not all my embellishments come from this sticker sheet. And then I do have the rest of the range, including the alpha stickers, if I need anything else. Then I couldn't decide what rhinestones I wanted to finish off with, so I just picked a selection. We've got Stampin' Up, I don't know what they are because I've tore off the thing, but they're like a matte enamel dot. Waffle flower enamel dots, these I think must also be probably from a Stampin' Up card kit or something, pink and green. And then I've got sequins. I didn't know whether I wanted to put sequins on their adhesive back sequins, so we'll see what I feel like putting on at the end. That's what I'm using, so let's get this page started. there's my finished page. And would you believe the only embellishments I used were what was on this sticker sheet. And I don't know, 2012, I was going to say I didn't know the date of these, but 2012. And I'm telling you, you need to use this stash before it gets too old, because some of these stickers were hard, a little bit hard to get off. They wanted to tear. So yeah, use your stash. Don't let it sit like I have for a long time, because it doesn't last forever. So it looks pretty much like the sketch, except I don't have the big photo. I've used stars, I've used banners, I've got the title over here, the photos over here. I have a band at the top and the bottom, and the secondary band there. Sorry, that, when I mean band, I mean the free space at the top and the bottom, and this little bit either side of the main piece. I've got that represented by the lacy sticker down here, and then up here by the banners. So there we go. That is my page. If you've enjoyed this video and you like this page, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that bell so you know when my next video comes out. And make sure you watch the playlist down below for everyone else who's playing along with the 30 days of sketches. Thanks for popping by, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.